This is my remake rant on Mac Jeffy. As a bonus, Gwen the cat. First, I'm going to rant on Mac Jeffy. Enjoy. Mac Jeffy? No, more Mac Mario. Oh my god. This user sucks. This user hates me just because I like Lot Monster. That's opinion bashing and it's not okay. And he hates Crazy Frog for no reason. Seriously, you know that? Like Crazy Frog. Gummy Bear. Hates shows just as Lot Monster. Grand, Rory the Racing Car, Vivian the Flower Tots, the new Smurfs 2021, and Clifford the Big Red Dog reboot, the Mr. Tumble, something special reboot, Octonauts Postman Pat reboot, and Thomas and Friends season 24 and 25. Really? You know I like these shows, and that's opinion bashing. And Celebrates Lot Monster YouTube channels videos are now gone YouTube. You really? You know I Celebrate videos getting deleted. It's very heartless. And he likes Bluey better than Lot Monster. Seriously, Blue? Dude, you know I hate Bluey. And even way worse. Yeah. Saw. Way worse there. Saw. Just hang on. He has a Bluey and a horse two-back toy. Really? You know I hate Bluey. I hope this user gets terminated. And he likes Big Cook, Little Cook, better than Lot Monster. Really? You know I hate Big Cook, Little Cook. Do you know who likes this user? Thomas and Friends Robert, yes, Newell's, no, and Granda Cat is their friend. Do you know who hates this user? Me, PetSquawFan 2022. But even though I still hate PetSquawFan 2022, we should get terminated this user. So screw Mac Jeffy and screw Granda Cat. Mark the Wolf's commentary on Thomas and Friends Robert, yes, Newell's no video is so many times better than this user. And the rant one. Next, I'm going to rant on Gwen the cat. Enjoy. Gwen the cat. No, more Carlos the dog. Oh my god, this user sucks. This user was a huge hater of Crazy Frog. Really? You know I like Crazy Frog. And that's opinion bashing. And he hates Tony Red because he was a ripoff of Unikitty. No! Tony Red is not a ripoff of Unikitty. And next up, he made a mean play as a screw Carlos the Whoopsie a Lot Monster fan. No! Screw you for doing that. And he hates Crazy Frog. Like, seriously. You know, like, he hates Crazy Frog Rock'em. He hates Crazy Frog Rock'em game. Really? You know I like Crazy Frog Rock'em game. And that's opinion bashing. And I hope this user gets terminated after Crazy Frog became more popular. Do you know who likes this user? Mac Jeffy. He likes this user. but wow, he sucks. Do you know who hates this user? May leave on the attorney red. She hates this user because he hates Tony Red. So screw Gwen the cat and screw Mac Jeffy. Tony Red was my favorite Pixar film ever, next to Cars, Bugs Life, Monsters Inc., and Toy Story. Is so many times better than these two users. And the Rant too. And Thomas and Friends Ryber, yes, Rolly is back now. Mac Jeffy and Gwen the Cat. And if you three of you make a commentary on it, I will three of you dislike it. I will force three of these users to watch Lot Monster.